Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to share a Meteo station in iSolarCloud. Log in to the installer account. Then, go to Background Management. Select Plant Management and search for the plant where the Meteo station is currently installed. Click Manage Device. Select the Meteo station. Click Modify Device. Set Share to Shared. Then click Save. Next, go back to Plant Management and search for the plant where you want to add the shared Meteo station. Click the plant name at the top, then select Claim Device. Under Device Type, choose Meteo Station, and under Device Source, select Shared Device. Then click Search. Once you find the shared Meteo station, select it, then click Save and Confirm. Finally, go to the plant overview to verify that the Meteo station has been added successfully. I hope this video helps. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more solar inverter tips and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.